Imagine gazing out of your spacecraft window and seeing the moon like never before. Full moon symbol. This is a breathtaking simulation of what astronauts aboard NASA's Orion spacecraft will witness on Artemis II, the first mission to carry humans around the moon since Apollo. In this visualization, 36 hours have been compressed into just a few minutes, offering us a stunning perspective of the moon's mysterious far side. Unlike the familiar near side that we see from Earth, this hidden half has been mostly unexplored, its craters, mountains, and shadows telling stories billions of years old. Artemis II will mark a historic step forward. For astronauts will travel farther than any humans have gone in more than 50 years, testing life support systems and preparing for future missions where astronauts will land, walk, and study the moon in unprecedented detail. This mission is not just about reaching the moon, it's about unlocking its secrets. From ancient lava plains to deep impact craters, the far side holds clues about the early solar system, waiting to be discovered. As we prepare for a new era of exploration, Artemis II will remind us that the spirit of discovery is alive. From Apollo to Artemis, humanity's journey to the stars continues, and this is just the beginning. Thank you for watching Scenic Motions Omniverse. If this left you in awe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cinematic journeys through space.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.